Drop a bomb, 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 bomb.
Back with a vengeance. KG's back with an entrance. Big up to those in attendance.
Ooh, look at this.
Reds come together like Tetris. No rules, this one's reckless. None can compare with the KG done. Better take cover when he drops that. Going on reckless, justice on. It's that time when he drops that.
Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Who are you on your club?
I said drop a bomb, Dad.
I'm here. I'm on the stand, bro. Ready. Listen. Ready to go. Suit is on. I'm taking it very serious. I'm here early. Just want the court to understand and know. I'm here early. Ready to fight this bad boy. Well, I shouldn't be here. It's wrong, basically, but I'm just going to open the lines and let's get straight to it. I don't know who's prosecuting, but I know who's defending me. I've got Peter, Connor, Waps. I don't know if we've secured the legal retainer for Waps, but I'm hoping Waps will pull up. KG, I defend, yeah. I'm sitting here, bro. Free KG, bro. Not the wall. Don't worry about the watermark. Don't worry about the watermark. The watermark's there, bro. Handed myself in. Let's go. I feel like, anyway, we'll see. Let's just wait for the people to pull up. There you go. Legal aid is just pulling up right now. If there's no prosecution, we'll get off anyway. If there's no prosecution, we'll get off. Like, we're here, and then we're here on time.
KG, it's not handing yourself in. It's showing up to an unjust trial. Let's get the narrative straight from the start. Like, we can't be parading these false narratives. We need to let the jury see that it's a false charge, and we're just showing up to prove it wrong.
Thank you very much. As you can
also,
see,
did you check your messages? Because I might have to dip about 11ish. Kitchen people decided they want to rock up early.
No probs. But again, if they don't turn up,
there's
nothing we can do. We move on with the show.
What charges are they even trying to trial you, like put you on charge for? Because I couldn't find anything last night. I reviewed the case and I saw a criminal that they chose to ignore. I saw two criminals.
Yeah. Well, look, it'll be good to know. We're all just here. As we said, the lines are open. Should we set a timer just in case?
Yeah, I feel like a timer needs to be set just in case. Yeah.
All right, wicked. So while I'll set a 5-minute timer.
Yeah,
let's see.
Like 5 minutes.
Let's see. While we're setting that timer, we could just talk about United. Did you see the maddest link about Jude Bellingham? Like, it was just crazy.
Nah.
I saw what's the name talking about it today. I saw Matic, Adam.
Yeah.
Like, it's a crazy one still. Like, I haven't seen it anywhere, but I just saw Adam talking about it. And I was like, I never even thought about, like, would you even want him if he was available?
Bellingham? Nah.
Yeah, would you even want him?
Not in a bad way. It's like, for what we need in the midfield, not really. In a sense of, if it's in 2 years' time, maybe, but currently I don't think I want him now in this position.
Really? Wouldn't you think he'd be like, I know it's not going to happen, but wouldn't it be like, would he be a good partner next to Kobe?
Who's going to play who plays the 6 in that position? Who's the out and out defensive player?
This is the thing, innit? Because he goes forward,
that's my mindset for it. Like, I don't see him as being the player that's going to sit back and defend. And Kobe Mainoo isn't the single pivot guy that's going to be sat there defending for 90 minutes. Like, he could do it, but it's not his position.
Let's see if Pav is the person that's prosecuting. Pav, are you the prosecution? Pav, are you here for the prosecution? No. Peter, you're here part of the defendant team, right?
Defendant team, yeah.
Yeah. Well, Peter, you might not even be needed still, but we'll still plead our case and we'll get the hell out of here because end of the day, if no one shows up, we got the timer right there.
Oh, yeah. Case dismissed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, yeah, end of the day. Pav, are you part of the prosecution team?
You know me. You're going fucking jail, blood.
All right. We finally got it, so I can stop the timer still. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Are you part of the prosecution as well, AJ?
I'm defending you, man.
Let's go. Oh my god, strong team, bro. 1 second. Of course, Abs showed up, bro. Because I was
about to say, I was like, where's the other main people, man? Like,
of course.
Let me change my profile picture, bro. Let me change my profile.
Yeah.
Wait, what's Peter on? Is Peter on the defense team or?
Yeah, Treesa's on the defense team, bro.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, we're good, man.
We need Peter. We need Pav too.
We got Connor.
Let me change my profile picture.
Yeah, I think I've got an appropriate picture for now. A man that faced charges before and come out the other side.
Wait, Connor, you're on the defense team?
Yeah.
That profile pic ain't the way to go, bro.
This is a man that's faced charges and he knows how to fight. Even when he's wrong.
But he never got away with it.
Even when he's wrong, he will fight. That's what matters. It's not the truth.
All right.
It's not what you can prove.
I hate
Is that nephew in the chat?
Well, we're here, innit?
Wait. Look, young nephew's in the chat.
Wait, where is he? Where is he? Young.
Look, there's Uncle.
What did I look at you for? Bro, we ain't seen young nephews in a while. All right, cool. So it's not gonna, they need to tell us what this trial's all about, right?
Yeah.
So
what charges is the?
Yeah, what charges? So
hold on. How does that make sense when you're the one that called the trial?
Bro, you need to tell us why we're here.
Wait. This is bad, man. Abs, why you always gotta come in here fresh and fly?
Exactly.
Only when you about to put my man KG to the sword. Why you always do this?
Hold on. Excuse me, sir. This is a court case, right? You don't come dressed inappropriately for a court case. Now, whether I want to be here, that's another question. But the people, hold on, let me just get my image.
KG, I want you to know this ain't your friend.
We're gonna listen. I listen. We end of the day.
We're frenemies. We've been frenemies since he started his channel. What the hell?
Oh my god.
Abs, we're having reports from the chat that you are wearing shorts. Is that true?
No, I've got tracksuit on.
Right.
You're not even wearing a full suit. You're not even wearing a full suit.
Diabolical.
Where's the 3-piece?
You don't have the respect to wear the.
KG, can you stand up for a second?
Yeah. There's a full suit on.
I want the jury to take note that KG is taking this very seriously.
Full suit, mate.
Bro, it ain't St. Patrick's, bro.
Huh?
It ain't St. Patrick's, bro. Why we in all green?
No, I just wanted to match the thumbnail, bro. I didn't want to be, false advertisement. You get me?
Yeah,
Look at this guy. Look at him. Should I pull we need to pull this thing down.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Look at him. He's too short, bro.
He looks short.
He's moving like El Captain. Look at El Captain. El Cap's a prosecution, bro.
Bro, what's going on? I keep moving where the camera is.
Don't worry.
Take the prosecution thing off, please.
I'm gonna deal with him. I'm gonna deal with him. Don't worry, bro. I've got your back. I shouldn't even have your back, but this is the kind of person I am.
You cannot wear hats in closed indoors, right? When you're in hospitals, when you're in courts, when you're in.
It's disrespectful to have your hat on in court.
You don't wear hats.
So we know. In the UK courts, we can. I have done it before, so I'm okay.
That doesn't mean it's right. Thank you.
It doesn't mean nothing. It means it depends on the judge, and we don't have a judge today.
Peter, just say you want to see.
By the way, there has been a request
Yes.
If you can, your whole entire defense team please put their cameras on so that we know that it's you there and it's you working by yourself.
Not currently.
I don't
no.
wear suits.
If you cannot do it,
No,
then you cannot be
because the whole
on
team,
stage.
they don't. That's not unnecessary. We
I
have-
wish I could,
KG,
Abs.
are you
But
adding
due to-
going on
rules
trial.
as a
I
defense
can wear
team?
whatever I want.
Who's
I'm
This
the
is a
judge
free
in this
country.
case, by the way? Who's the impartial judge? Because we need an impartial judge.
Yeah,
Because
we
that's
need
the
an
thing.
I was
impartial
meant to be
judge.
the judge.
There's no impartiality in this
All
community.
right, what? Are you the judge? So how you got evidence?
I
Who's
just
the
put
judge?
it. No, so if can we start now?
Yeah, let's start.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
yeah. Let's start.
All right, hold on. No one interrupt me, please.
We need a judge though. Someone pull up if they want to be
Hey,
the judge.
Joe,
bro.
Joe, you pull up. Joe, pull up and be the judge.
yeah.
Joe ain't
Nah.
pulled up.
Someone,
No,
yeah,
Joe
someone
wants
with
me
a
to go
someone
to
that
jail.
Someone-
Joe's impartial.
SLD,
Let's
bring in
Joe's
SLD.
impartial.
He's-
SLD can be
SLD
the
on the
this.
wing.
SLD. Nah,
To
SLD.
be
Right, cool,
fair,
go on. Go on.
this we're still even after all this, right? We're still going to do a vote anyway. So
Cool.
the judge is the people. The judge is the delegation.
But I'm actually taking the people. I'm actually going against the people because the people
You're
don't
going
want me
against
to
the people,
succeed.
KG. And the
Yo,
reason
yeah,
why
man,
you're
to
going
pull up,
against
we
the
need a
people, which
judge.
is why I don't know why Connor and Peter have decided to, and AJ have decided to defend you, is because of this screenshot right here.
No.
The people,
Yeah,
hold
Peter, you
on,
should be a
hold
judge,
on.
man.
I haven't.
Sorry.
You get your time to talk.
Look at the judge. Look at the judge.
Oh,
Oh, the greatest time. The only one.
Hey,
He answered
The
call.
VP, the only man who
He
can do
answered
it.
the call. The only
He's at
man
the
that could
airport.
show up in this moment, bro. The only
Listen.
man.
I'm in a hallway.
I know you're
Hey,
gonna be here,
The,
bro.
hey,
Go on then.
hey,
Let's
the
go.
judge
Let's go.
doesn't even look like he's ready, bro. What's going on? Man ain't court ready.
What are we doing here? What kangaroo court settings are we doing here?
All right,
This
come
is-
on, let's go, bro.
Hey,
My
now the
lawyer, I've only got
VP,
my
bro.
lawyer to 11 o'clock. Go ahead.
Good. Right. KG versus the people. Quite frankly, the people have voted that in yesterday's show, KG's opinion of Somerville being signed and Coyote and whoever else you put in was the stinkiest performance of this week so far.
Objection.
KG, having the powers that he does, ended this show early to avoid jail time, to avoid the light wheel that he was going to receive.
Objection.
You can't object to opening statement, bro. What court have you been in?
I do what I want.
Oh,
I'm from
will
Eastern
you?
Europe.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
judge, do
Let's
your
go.
job, man. What are you
Anyway.
doing with your life?
Anyway.
Should the judge is going? We need to bring in Joe Blackman. Joe
I think we should. Yeah, I was about to say bring in Joe
hold on,
or
hold on.
like
everyone,
Joe.
hey, everyone that
Joe,
talks in the
the
next
court
2
needs
minutes
you.
is going to be removed
Yeah,
from the
Joe.
courtroom.
Joe.
That's what I was
manage
about to say because I don't
Joe,
think
manage
anybody
this.
should be interrupting anybody during their opening statements.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
So
you, Judge.
if KG, if I needed to remove somebody, you will have to remove them, please. Yes.
Oh, don't worry, I'll do it
My
for
judge,
you.
come on.
I'll do it
No,
for you.
All right,
no,
let's
you
start.
tell me and I'll remove them. Thank you very much. You're not doing
Let's
Don't
that.
worry,
start the
Joe. I'm
proceedings,
here for
please.
you too. Because you don't
Start
trust
again,
KG,
start again.
unfortunately. This is why
Can we
we're here.
start the proceedings, please?
Yes,
The right
I will
person.
continue with my opening statement. KG thought he was safe when Jolafore had 36% of the votes. He was sitting here, he was giggling, he was laughing. Until the moment the people decided, actually, this man deserves the wheel. 39%. Almost 40% of everyone that watched the show agreed KG stinks. And he must go down for this. We should not be wasting the court's time for this. Everyone in the room, he deserves the wheel. And by the way, the wheel this time is not going to be light. It's going to be heavy for the actions of this man, KG Amin.
objection. That's
May I ask
You
the
can't
court-
object.
I
That's
could object.
fucking
I could
open statement.
object. You could object
You
to
cannot
Swearing in
object.
court. Is he swearing in
May I
court,
ask the
Judge?
court a question?
No, because
did
your
you swear in
people,
court?
KG, your
You
people,
cannot-
Did he swear in
keep-
court,
Hey,
Judge?
Your people
I'll allow
came
it.
to
Put a question.
I'll allow
keep
it. I'll allow it.
interrupting.
I'll allow it. I'll allow it. I'll allow it.
Your
Continue.
people keep interrupting.
Can the
That's
Trek ask
2
a
defense
question?
members removed already for not following the rules.
Thank
Do you
Great.
want to continue like this?
Judge
Anyway,
Joe, can I open
Joe-
with a question?
No,
Judge-
you can't open no
Judge
questions
Joe-
until the opening statement is finished, please. Can we
He's
please get through
removed as
to...
well.
Thank you.
Judge Joe, I have now finished my opening statement. We need an opening statement from KG.
Right.
Uninterrupted.
No, hold on. It doesn't have to be from KG. KG, does one of do you or do you want one of your representatives
I would
to
like my
take the
Which
stand?
ones? They're all been removed.
I like my representatives to speak for me, please. I would like to start with 1 second update layout so I can be in the wait, where's my character? Hold on, let's go. Connor. I like Connor to speak for
Hello,
me.
people.
I'm just gonna go in this box. 1 second, I just need to put myself in this box there. Beautiful. Go ahead.
So the prosecution's main argument today is that the people decided that KG deserves to go to the wheel. From the chart that we see, it's a poll of 109 people, and 42 of them decided that KG should go to the wheel. 42 take away 109. That's not a majority. A majority of the chat didn't decide for KG to go to the wheel. KG decided to go to the wheel based on what? The fact he wanted to bring in Somerville to the team. When we had people wanting players that have no ACLs, people that can't even beat Anthony for stats in the Liga. They have let's just put it frankly, atrocious teams. And we have KG, who respectfully said, if West Ham get relegated, he would like to strengthen the left-hand side, not put him in the starting 11, not put him in the out-and-out left wing spot, to strengthen the team and put Somerville on the left-hand side. And he said, at the start of the show, this is my hear me out 11. He said this is the team of players. Hear me out. If you don't agree, come and tell me what players you want. He didn't say that he wanted these players for XYZ reasons because he thinks they're the best. He just said, hear me out. If this happens, why don't we do this? Now, is this the sort of world we live in where we bring people to court for having an opinion? For people just simply saying, hear me out. Why can't we just look at this in case this happens? I would now like to hand over to co-counsel of Peter.
Can I hold on a second? Shouldn't we be able to review?
This is an open statement. This is an open statement.
No, you cannot have. Can you kick Pav out,
Can
please?
I ask you a question, please?
This is
Kick
an
Pav
open
out, kick Pav
statement.
out, no problem.
Kick Pav out,
Why are you
please.
asking questions? Get out. You can't ask questions.
Yeah, I'd
that's
like
what
to
they
hand
did
over
to
to
them.
my
No, I'm
co-counsel.
sorry. Do you know what the rules are? The rules.
Joe a question.
No, you can't ask a question
Okay,
during
fine.
the opening statement.
I'd like to hand over to co-counsel of Peter right now.
Okay, Peter, please. Can you bring in Peter?
Yeah.
Hello.
Please put me on the main stage.
No problem.
Please address the court.
All right, cool. 1 second. Let's. Where's Peter right now? Boom. Let's go.
So my representative said yesterday he would want to bring in Ballard, who is having a terrific season at Sunderland, one of the best centre backs this season, in my opinion. Wanted to bring Coyote. Maybe it's a nepotism thing. Maybe it's not. But he's seen some games and he got interested in him. Yeah, Somerville has a purple patch. Yeah, I understand people now want to bring Somerville in the team, but we had a case yesterday that a certain Ghanaian woman wanted to bring Mohamed Kudus, who is, I think, out for the season with a hamstring injury. She put him on the right wing where we have the second and third best players in the team, Amad Diallo and Brian Mbuma. She wanted to bring in Mohamed Kudus only because he's Ghanaian. Isn't that nepotism? Yes, it is. We had a guy who said he watched a certain player in AFCON who had 1 assist in 7 games. I think Mazraoui had more, and he's a right back. He's a techie bowler, you know, the usual stuff. And we had a certain Joel Ofori who hasn't watched a player in 2 years, and suffered an ACL injury, and who will be out until January next year. So Christmas will pass, Ramadan will pass, the Jewish holiday, I forgot it, that will pass, and that guy won't be on the pitch. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Can you please step out? KG.
How?
No, that don't worry about it. KG, could you please bring in your next defendant? And I think the prosecution are asking for a chance to rebuttal. You will have your chance to rebuttal after they make their opening statement.
I just want to make sure that hold on, I've got Connor and Peter here, Stretford and Pav. Yeah, that's it. That's us. This is AJ, sorry, my last is AJ. Go on, AJ.
All right. I appreciate everyone for being here. And on behalf of KG, I would like to say this platform has been a platform that's opened for people to say their opinions based on the topic at hand. And I sincerely feel that KG's process of placing certain players in the team was not far-fetched at all. If anything, his opinions were even more realistic than a lot of other opinions that were heard yesterday. So when I seen the poll come out, it was shocking to say the least. But at the same time, Connor did mention something very important. He mentioned the amount of people that voted KG being the worst opinionated person yesterday, and it wasn't up to half of the total amount of people that voted. So I think we need to take that into consideration as well. But if we take our judgments of worst performances away and our eagerness to crucify somebody with a good opinion, I think we should just look at the table which he drew up, take the players which he mentioned, and actually look at their the ability to actually get these players and the actual football ability of the players that he has mentioned and put into the squad, and you will see that KG's opinion on the squad was justified. Not one time did he mention that these will be our major signings and they'll be the best things in sliced bread. But he did mention they will be very good players to get to bolster the squad since we're going to be fighting on major fronts next season. So please consider that. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Now that you've made your opening statements, KG, would you like to say something before I bring in
No.
the prosecution?
No, I'm fine. I just hope that justice is what's given here today. I'm kind of shocked. You know, I just tried to build up this platform for people to have their takes. There's not a lot of places on YouTube where you can have your takes and share your opinion. And that's what this platform was. And it's being weaponized against me. I thought some of the takes yesterday were absolutely disgraceful. And yeah, I can't believe I'm in this situation again. But it just feels like there's an undercurrent of something else going on with the people that watch the show.
Right. Is that your final statement?
That's all I have to say. I'm not really a statement. I'm just, I'm hurt and disappointed. And, I'll still continue to bring my best to this platform.
KG, the court has not asked you for your feelings. I said, is that your final statement?
Well, it's not really a statement, Judge. That was all I just...
Thank you. Prosecution, would you like to either cross-examine the witness or would you like another chance for you guys to, because I heard that
they want me to read the supers. They would like me to read the supers. Is that okay, Judge?
After they answer this question, prosecution, would you like to cross-examine the witness first, or would you like to make your rest of your opening statement, or is it needed?
I feel like we can cross-examine the witness. Me personally, I think we can start with that.
Okay.
Your Honor, sorry I'm late.
I need to sorry, Judge. I need to just quickly clarify some things just so that we're clear. Waps, I'm assuming you're with the prosecution team.
I'm with the prosecution, yes.
Newgate, are you
course.
with the prosecution team?
I'm with the defense.
Defense. Okay. Well, to be honest, KG, you've got like 6 defense already versus 2, so
Man City,
you don't
Man
need
City
it.
style. Man City
Anyway,
style. No, I
yeah,
do need
but
it.
even Man City,
Man
it's
City
all
style.
those. Only 3 of them enter the courtroom itself, so
Man City
he's
style.
out.
Man City style. Can he, Judge? Can he do that? Judge, can he?
To
Can
be
he do
fair,
that? I've brought the best legal team in the world, and he has a problem.
how was your legal team late? Your legal team turned up late, so therefore they're not recognized.
No one
The
turned up.
courtroom's already
I agree.
locked.
No one
The
turned up.
courtroom's already
No,
locked.
who's
It's
the-
closed.
who's
They can't interrupt.
Connor has to leave. at
Yeah,
11
there
o'clock.
will be a small substitution partway through where I have a kitchen design team turning up and I have to go
No
deal with my
problem.
kitchen.
Once you're ready for
Abs.
that switch, you let us know, Connor.
Yeah.
Abs, can I
When you're ready, falls
go
on, bro.
first because I'm limited on time?
Oh, please do.
Another
Please
person
proceed.
living on time. Can I read the supers?
I mean,
Or can I
some
read the
people have got
supers,
real
or-
jobs, mate.
Oh no, hold on. Actually, wait quickly. Yeah, actually, KG, read the
What does
supers
that
first.
mean?
actually.
What does that
Objection.
mean?
Are you saying
Hold
that
on, wait,
KG's
wait,
job
wait,
is
wait.
not legitimate? You're telling me that
Hold
KG doesn't
on.
pay tax?
Wait, hey, we'll handle that in a minute. Hold on.
Yes.
Supers.
Here we go. AD says KG was main source of KG was main source of United winning the PL prop. There you go. Is that another charge? Free KG in advance. Done no. There you go. Is KG denying the power of the chat's decision now? I haven't done anything. Here you go. 1 second. Free KG. I'm tired of this dictator getting accused all the time by the fake news media. I hope that Cage is okay and his lawyers and the check is cleared, by the way. There you go. Let's go. Shaky says, Your Honor, KG was the one started by saying Joel Ofori deserves jail time for having an opinion. Then he tries to set him up and it backfires. Let's continue. Abs, I think KG's crime is not his opinion about Summerfield per se. It's him not honoring the poll after the community said he had the worst opinion.
Larry
Well,
Preach.
Thank
That
you
will
very
be
much.
discussed. Thank you very
Kaz,
much, chat.
That last
Um,
one
can-
is really
can-
important. We'll come back to that.
Yeah, can we
Alright.
have the poll up? Can we have the poll up as I cross-examine the defendant?
Yes, please.
No problem. Give me a second. All right, let's get this out of the way.
Here we go.
So, Mr.
Go ahead.
Mr. Kevin Gary, please may I ask you, are you the leader of this channel?
I am.
So, as the leader of this channel, on how many occasions have you told the community that it is 100 votes minimum before a poll is valid?
Every single time.
Okay.
No.
Now, did you or did you not input that poll yourself and add your name to the list with Ofori, Young DNA, and Doctor?
I did.
You did. Okay. So, on how many occasions have you bypassed the community's votes? Yeah, and not gone through with the poll? How many times?
I can't recall.
So you can't recall. So why yesterday, yeah, on this first occasion, you thought that you could end the stream as you were winning the poll? You would end the stream and not take your punishment.
I do not recall how many times it's happened, so I can't,
Okay, so why do you and your lawyers feel like you should be let off?
That's a good question.
This is your poll. You input your own name into the poll.
Can I say something?
Here.
No, you cannot say so. You had your talk. Kick him out. Kick him out.
No.
You can
This is not an
object.
opening statement anymore. This is not an
You can
opening
object.
statement
It's an
anymore.
objection, bro.
He can object. What is your objection, sir?
So can we please say the right words then when
Yesterday-
we're objecting?
Okay,
Yeah,
objection.
Can I say something that's
Yesterday-
not the right term?
Yesterday, KG released a video and said, tomorrow is a court case. Can you please defend me for, he said, for not having the worst take on the video. My job is to defend his take, not the poll. Go
But
rewatch
no-
the video, and
Can
he
I
said,
object the objection?
okay, he said,
No, you can't
He said-
object to the objection, to be fair.
yep. So he said, who had the worst take on the video? I came here to defend the worst take.
Didn't your client
Okay,
put his name
okay.
down as one of the
Alright,
worst
that's enough.
takes?
That's enough. Go
Didn't
back.
your client put his name down as one of the
That was
worst
not the worst
takes?
take. That was not the worst take.
But your client
question.
input his own name.
1 second, Pam. Don't direct your question to the to the defendants, please. You have to direct your questions to KG.
Thank you.
Judge Joe.
Sorry, Judge. Doesn't he have to reply or rebut the objection before he then goes to question the?
Yes, but he doesn't. He does not speak directly to the defense team. He speaks to either me or to KG.
Okay.
KG
Thank
is the
you,
person
Judge.
understand. I completely understand that, Judge. Judge, I just need to get an understanding, and I actually want your opinion on this, if you don't mind.
No problem.
I don't understand the maths that the defense team have decided to go through, saying that the majority did not say that KG's statement was the stinkiest. If you have a vote of 109 and the individual that won or beat everyone with 39%, is that not the
It's the majority
people
vote.
saying that he has the stinkiest?
False accusations.
I will.
Do you guys know how to do
You can't
maths?
object when he's speaking directly to me.
Do you guys know how to do maths?
I want to rebuttal. I want to rebuttal. I want a rebuttal to the. I want a rebuttal.
Sorry, Judge. They can't change maths. They can't change the result.
In my opinion, the poll is what it is.
What they're doing right now,
One second. Listen.
I was asking
everybody.
The question. I don't know why people.
Hey. I recognize this piece of evidence, and it has been brought to the court. Yes, the numbers don't lie, but I will not give an opinion on the evidence as yet.
No, I don't want your opinion on the evidence. I want you to understand what the poll is saying, because these guys
I
seem to be
understand the
putting
poll
an
fully
opinion on maths equation that cannot be incorrect. That's why I want to.
Can I make a rebuttal now?
Got me, Mr. Prosecutor. I understand maths. Don't worry. Yes, Connor, you may speak.
Right. So what I brought to the court was the fact that even though it says 39% of people, out of a total poll of 109, that's only 42 people that have decided to vote for KG. We can still look at the other numbers of people there. He's not got a majority of the vote. When you look at it, and break it down.
One second. What the court won't hear is blatant lies. Let's be honest now.
No. What's
do not interrupt me when I'm speaking. Kick him out. 1 second. Kick him out.
Who, Judge?
Connor is gone. Don't worry, KG.
It was Connor. Connor, you will not speak when I'm speaking.
Judge, no problem.
If you do not know what a majority vote means, then I suggest you go back to English class. We all know what a majority vote means. So if you don't know what majority of a four-person vote, but that's totally up to you. But can we please get back to proceedings? Everybody return to their seats. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I please speak?
You may speak to the defendant.
Listen, we defended the stinkiest performance yesterday. We defended false accusations. KG did not have the stinkiest performance yesterday.
Objection.
We can all agree.
Judge, objection. He's not speaking to the defendant.
Yes, I was waiting to see where he was going with it.
No.
I thought we were questioning.
I want to speak with the judge.
You are supposed to be questioned.
Judge.
You can speak to me, the judge, the court, or KG, but you have to have some questions for KG because you're supposed to be cross-examining the witness.
Can I cross-examine the witness now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Prosecution go first and then defendants go. If you have any objections, make it quick because we haven't got a lot of time to waste here. So let's go.
Okay. KG, when you put the poll up and suggested yourself, Young DNA, Joe Lafori, and Doctor, and this is a yes or no answer, did you or did you not think you were going to get the majority poll? Yes or no?
Did I think I was going to be the worst?
Yeah, did you or did you not think you were going to get the highest percentage? Yes or no?
I didn't think I was going to get the highest percentage. No, I didn't.
Okay, thank you. And with KG, would you be so honest as to tell me who you thought was going to get the stinkiest take in the scenario where you put the poll up? Young DNA, Joe Lafori, Doctor, or yourself?
Out of the Doctor and Afori, I thought it was a toss-up. Yeah, that's where I thought it was going to go, to be honest. I thought it was going to be my West African brothers and sisters.
Great.
But I'm surprised.
All right.
Don't know if it has
Thank
anything
you.
to do.
Next question. All right. Yes or no question again. In the instance, it was Joe Lafori or Dr. NHS. Were you willing to give them a trial in the same scenario as yourself, or would you have sent them straight to the will? Yes or no? Would you have given them a trial?
Sorry, what's the question?
The question is, if it was Joe Lafori or Dr. NHS who got the stinkiest take, yes or no, would you have given them a trial like yourself?
Well, I think it would have proved that, you know, justice, and they had the worst take. Surely, I think I'm here for no reason. That's the real reason.
Could you please, one second. Could you please answer the question as it was put to you, KG?
It was a yes or no question.
Can you please answer the question as it was put to you?
I'll repeat the question.
If they requested a trial, I would have given them one.
And okay, a follow-up question. In previous instances where myself, Stretford DNA, has been put up for trial, has been voted in the poll as a guilty party, have I been offered a trial? Yes or no?
Do you think you deserve the trial for saying they're playing like a couple ends?
Could you please answer the question in the way it was put to you, Mr. Gary?
KG, that wasn't him, that was me. So you're referencing the wrong person. So actually, you need to recorrect your statement.
His one was. I can't remember what his one was.
My take. If the takes don't matter, I just want a yes or no question. Have myself or Waps been offered trials like yourself
that's what I'm saying. When you said the Waps one,
Objection, Your Honor. These questions are more personal and not pertaining to the situation at hand.
Well, you've not actually. No. Overruled. Overruled. Excuse me. Only answer the questions that I put to you, Mr. Gary. Could you please repeat the question? You've been overruled. Please sit down. Continue with your questioning.
Yes.
Your Honor, Your Honor, please, I want you to consider the question.
Have myself or Waps or other people who's had stinky takes been offered the chance to have a trial like yourself, KG? Yes or no?
If requested, I believe that SLT would have come together.
It's a yes or no question, KG. Come on, Judge. I'm trying here. Please.
If requested, have they requested? Judge, am I allowed to ask?
No, you're not allowed to ask any questions.
No, am I allowed to say that? If requested, SLT would have.
It's a yes or no. Please answer the question as it was put to you, please. You've been avoiding the courts. You've been avoiding the prosecution.
I don't even understand the question.
Is this a yes? Could you repeat the question one more time, maybe in more plain language, so that the defendant can understand?
Have I or Waps, who've had stinky takes in the past, been offered a trial for similar stinky takes? Yes or no?
No.
Thank you. I'm done with my line of questioning here.
Thank you,
Judge. I would like to speak next. I'd like to question the defendant next.
Please step up.
Is this a defendant team or prosecution?
I was about to ask. 1 second. Don't be get out. Hold on. Get out. Who are you?
Thank you very much, Judge.
Get out.
Thank you, Judge.
Can I ask who? Please approach and tell your name to the court.
I'm Waps and I'm part of the prosecution.
Thank you. Please speak.
Mr. Kevin Gary,
Yes.
I'd like to ask, what is the purpose of you being in court today?
Well, I feel like I'm being mistreated. I feel like obviously they said I should go to the poll and I should face my crimes, but then I feel like there was bigger crimes on the show and I didn't have the stinkiest take. I feel this is a joke. We're talking about players with ACLs. We're talking about players that they haven't watched in 2 years. We're talking about removing star players and playing Kudus.
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Okay. So you've said all this. So you're saying, in your opinion, that your take wasn't the worst take out of the 4 that you put on the poll?
Yes.
Okay. However, you put the poll up and the majority vote in the community, and bear in mind, this poll did have 100 votes, is that their opinion was your take was the worst. Is that not true?
And can I ask you, do you think it was?
No,
you
you
cannot
can't
ask a
questions.
question.
That's not, you can't ask questions. I've asked you a question. Answer the question. is it not true that the majority of the community's opinion is that your take was the worst?
Yeah.
KG, can you please tell me what is the purpose of a poll?
Well, I hope it's to be a fair, a fair vote of what they're seeing, what they heard. But
So
clearly, something's going on.
Essentially, by bringing this to trial, you're trying to say that the community is unfair, unjust, and that their opinion is just dead wrong. Is that what you're trying to suggest?
I just think there's something here that something's going on that I don't understand, and
There's something going on, but there were 100 people that voted, KG. So if there's something there, you're saying that the majority of the, pardon?
109 people voted.
109. Sorry. Specifically, it's my fault. Thank you, Abs. 109
I left
people
before that,
voted
though.
on this
I
poll.
left before that. I left before that.
No. So now that you've said that you have before that, an SLT meeting has been had, and they have decided that actually the votes were in before you left. So are you now accusing SLT of lying and shaming your name?
Judge,
yes,
would you mind if I answer that?
You know what? Do you know what I would like to do?
You're the
Do you know what I like
prosecution
to? Do you know what I like to do in this moment? I actually spoke to a member of SLT before I ran away, and I don't know what he was doing, but I felt like he was insinuating that I should leave. You can go and get the tape. You can go and get the video. Anyone.
Would you please, for the court? Would you please, for the court, state that SLT member's name?
Oh, he's actually part of the prosecution team. He's here.
Could you please
Judge,
can I
make an objection?
Name?
Judge, can I make an objection?
Hold on, let me point him out.
The court is very
Could you
clear for the
please
court.
point and state the person's name for me, please, so the court hears you?
Abs, end to end.
Thank you.
Judge, may I make an objection? May I make an objection?
Of course. 1 second. I thought
Abs.
Yes,
if you
Judge.
could get the.
Did you said you wanted to approach the stand and speak?
Yeah.
Yes,
Judge.
I want to just clarify some things because everyone
1 second.
Everyone here seems to be going a slightly off the point. KG here, he's here to overpower the ruling of the poll, not defend whether his take is the stinkiest.
Yes,
because
exactly.
that's already been decided by the poll. The poll was
That's what I was going to lead on to.
39% has picked him. What he's here for, Judge, is to overpower that ruling. And I need you to keep that in mind as everyone's defense team is trying to take away from that
But
point.
what if?
Excuse me. I'm not talking.
Where's my lawyers right now?
Judge Joe, I also need you to understand that we need to treat this defense as hostile, as he's not answering simple questions. He is allowed.
Pam Bundy-ish.
He is allowed to take the fifth. But what he's not allowed to do is ask questions back consistently and try not to answer the question. You need to take that into consideration. I think this defense is being hostile.
May I speak, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Yes, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Before
also,
AJ speaks,
Judge, can they please say objection before anything else?
Yes, actually, you did have an objection before.
Yes,
I
thank
did have
you,
an
Your
objection.
Honor. Thank you.
Building on to what Ab said, he firstly did say that he's obviously asking questions back, which feels very Pam Bundy-ish. If you've seen you've been looking at this current political landscape in America. I also would like to state, as Abs also said, that him bringing Abs into this is not relevant to the situation we're in now, because the rules have been when the poll has been decided, and he was here according to SLT when the poll hit 100 votes, over 100 votes, that he was picked as the stinkiest take. Therefore, he should go to the wheel. And the fact that he is now fighting and trying to overrule this means that his punishment should actually be harsher than the original punishment intended in the first place.
Well, that will be decided at the end. That will be decided at the end, sir. Thank you for
thank you, Judge.
May I speak, Your Honor?
I appreciate
the court
it.
will take it into consideration. And it will be
Judge, please, may I make one point before I have to leave?
Very quickly, please.
Mr. Kevin Gary, should you not want to go ahead with this poll, should we retry everybody who has faced a poll on this channel?
Is that what? Say that again. Pardon me.
should we retry every single person who has been taken to the will over a poll if you do not want to take your punishment?
Here.
And should
Well,
there be
listen,
compensation given to them
well, listen, I have to
people?
say this. If
Judge, he can't
we
speak. He
feel
can't
that
respond. He spoke
Yes,
to
he
you,
can. He
Judge.
asked
he's
him a
asking me a
question.
question.
No,
I
he
asked him a
asked you,
question.
Judge.
No,
Oh, did he ask you? Oh,
I asked Kevin Gary.
my
Order,
fault.
order, order, order,
We're gonna have
order,
to take
order.
a recess, right?
I just want to let you know that the Dow Jones is down. What's
Oh,
it, 50?
Judge!
wait, hold on. Now,
Are you making a mockery of this court, Mr.
No,
Gary?
I'm not. All right, wait. Let me say this. Let me be honest. Yeah, we've only got 40 games. We've only got what 40. We've only got Premier League games. Yeah, 1 game a week. If people want to hash up trials because they're unhappy with how they've been treated on this channel, for content purposes, I think it can work. Now, again, I think the punishment should be strict if those people are, especially whatever's the claim is. Like, I don't know if someone wanted to come back to court for saying my players are playing like a couple of ends and they want to trial it. I think serious and strong punishment should be there. Even harsh.
Hold on, you're not finished.
Objection.
One second. The judge would like to say something. So, Mr. Gary, can I just clarify for the court? You're saying that if anybody would like to bring up
if they feel they've been mistreated
for a trial,
they feel they've been mistreated. Yeah,
anybody can approach the court and ask.
Yeah, if they feel
that's
that
okay with Mr. Gary.
happened, yeah, that's actually, I think that's right.
Your Honor, this is the defense team here, Your Honor. We haven't really gotten a chance to cross-examine our defendant.
No, absolutely. Don't worry. This is your time. Please, if you want to speak now, please.
Thank you very much.
Up and say your name and tell me which team you're with.
So I'm Eji Otumba. I am representing KG Reckless Sport.
Thank you very much. Please.
All right.
Begin.
Is it okay if I also ask you questions while cross-examining my defendant?
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you.
I'm part of the court.
KG, can you please state where your family originated from?
Nigeria, but I did go through the fostering system.
All right. So KG, I myself have origins based back in Nigeria and also in the United States. Your Honor, would you say that the last president of the United States before Trump was reelected put a sour taste in the people's mouths?
What?
When you say people's mouths, whose people are we talking about?
People of the United States of America.
What's a sour taste?
Well,
I'm only speaking to the judge and the defendant. I don't want to get this
either way on the taste in people's mouths. So can we? Hello, order.
Objection, Judge.
What's the objection?
Relevance.
The relevance will be tied once I'm done.
Do you know what? What is the relevance of your question, please? Can you?
All right. So we're talking about a poll, correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's the relevance of this question, sir. Would you say that people had a bad taste in their mouths with the last election before Trump was reelected?
Okay, well, once again, I can neither confirm nor deny anybody's taste in their mouths.
Okay, so the next question to KG would be: would you say that the reason why Trump was reelected into power was because majority felt that their take on Trump and not reelecting him the second time earlier on was wrong?
Objection, speculation.
Sustained. Where are we going with this?
So what I'm saying here in this situation is, yes, there has been a poll where my defendant had a certain high percentage of the poll or votes towards him. But I feel if the people, the kind people in the chat, can also re-examine the poll, I feel like the decisions that were made would be rectified.
Can I speak with my client, please?
So
can I speak with my client, please?
You like a moment alone with your client? Hold on, one second. Who's speaking? And can you say your name, please?
Me, with my client, KG.
Who's me? I don't know me. Can you please state your name?
Mr. Peter.
Hello, Peter. Yes, you may approach. You want to speak to your client alone.
I want to speak with my client alone, yeah.
Can you please remove?
Yeah, thank you.
KJ, we're cooked, bro.
We need to get him out of here, innit? We need to get him out of here.
What the fuck is AJ talking about, bro?
Bro, I will say
What has Joe Biden got to do with anything?
We need to get him out of here, bro.
This
Bro,
is,
just plead guilty, bro.
Can you
Plead guilty.
fire? Wait, no. I'm not pleading guilty. Can we fire?
Yeah, fire.
it's your legal team, so you can do as you please.
We would.
Fire.
Wait, Judge. We don't want to proceed. We don't want to proceed with AJ.
Could you please state clearly? Could you please state clearly the member of your defense team that you would like to get rid of?
AJ, we don't want to proceed. Judge,
Well, would you like to proceed with the proceedings now? Yeah.
Wait.
Yes.
I'm happy. I'm happy for whatever you decide. That's your team.
Can I pull up because I had someone on the sidelines waiting. So
we cannot add new members.
Okay. Well, I'm
to your
gonna have
team.
to continue.
You can remove, but you cannot add.
Judge Joe, could I just quickly interject? I am happy for a swap.
Hold on, how did you get in the room? Get out. No, 1 second. We're speaking in private. How did you walk in the room, bro? Get out.
I knocked first.
in the room. Hey, can you please get out of the room,
Did he say you
KG?
may enter? Did he say you may enter?
KG, you didn't even. No, man,
Judge, I
just
think
come
you should
to.
look at Judge, I
All
think.
right,
Wait,
but
this is your.
apologies,
This is
Judge.
your. Hold on. Did he? Wait. No. Bring him back.
No, hold on, KG. No.
Did he just walk into your chambers? Did he?
That's what I'm saying. Walk into my chambers without. Where's the security around here?
Wait. So, Judge, what are you? Because we were having a conversation, surely, and he walked in and said, "This is what he wants to do in this court." Judge, I will be dealt with.
He'll be held in contempt later. We'll deal with that in a moment. You will not be questioning me on what my decisions will be. Come on, let's move on with the proceedings. One proceeding at a time. You will not distract this court. Let's continue with proceedings. If you've decided to get rid of one of your members, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue. No, and what's he doing here? I'm gonna continue with Peter, please.
Hold on.
Can I have a moment with you and one member of the defense team, please, to make it fair?
There we go.
Absolutely.
No,
fantastic. So I will remove. I'll remove. Judge, just so that we're clear, just like Connor was meant to be substituted, Pav was also substituted with NN. So that's why he's now here.
So hold on.
Unfortunately, and
hold on. 1 second. Are both teams saying they want substitutions? Is that what I'm hearing?
Well, we did state. You
did ask for it a minute ago, KG. You asked for a substitution. Do you still want your substitution? If both teams want a substitution, then I'll allow a substitution.
Judge, this is what I was trying to make earlier. Judge, I was going to say that KG can get someone else.
I'm happy with Peter. I'm gonna be happy with Peter. I don't want anyone else to be here because I feel like they're making up their own opinions, being outside, watching footage. I think it's wrong, to be honest. I think who's here should be here.
Well, again, sorry, Judge. Whatever he's saying is incorrect because we did agree on the substitution before you actually entered the room. So I'm going to go with his word.
Not much.
Did you agree?
Not much.
Was it agree? 1 second.
You agree, Judge?
In my courtroom, I make the decisions. Thank you very much. But
he's been making a lot of decisions in your courtroom, Judge.
Hey, please. Thank you very much for your input, but I can make my own decision. Thank you. Right now, Mr. Abs, if there was a previous agreement before I arrived, you could present it to me and I can see if I'll allow it. Okay?
Yes. Okay. So, Judge, I would like to bring NN into the prosecution team to replace Pav. Who's
how many members are on your team right now?
So it's myself, NN, Strefford, DNA.
No, minus NN, please, because it's not on your team yet until I allow it.
Okay, sorry, 3.
And how many on the other team?
Well,
1.
Because Connor has left and KG has not given us who his replacement is, and now he's just kicked out AJ. He would have been 4 on his side, but unfortunately, he's now left with 2, himself and Peter. But that was his
I can't defend myself. I'm not defending I'm not defending. What do you mean?
Right.
Well, I'll repeat again.
I just have one
okay. Choice. Here's what I'm going to say. Here's my judgment on this. Yes, on the legal teams. Now, I've already made my judgment. Right. So, in order to make it fair, KG, you're allowed to bring in 1 more. Also, Abs, if you were deciding to bring in one person now to speak on the behalf, of your team, you would have to replace that person with another person. Okay, so 3 on each team. Okay, you can decide that amongst yourselves. Get out of my court. Get out of my room,
I don't
please.
think we have the time, Your Honor. We need to.
Your Honor,
we do
you've
need
made
to
the
deal with
decision.
this.
Let's not be influenced by anyone else's words, please.
I know.
No, but what time have you got to leave here actually? Because time is
15 minutes. 15 minutes past.
Okay, well, listen. I think we can have 3
Judge,
defenders.
can I
We're going to
interject
have to
that one?
utilize that clock behind you, KG, and give everybody 1 minute to speak from now on. Okay, so from now
Judge,
on, that's what's going to happen.
Please, can I interject, Judge? We've
Quickly,
never
go ahead.
He's telling you what to do
never
again.
finished at
He
11:30,
asked. Continue.
11:40, or 11:45 ever on this morning show.
Does he tell you what to
always goes
do?
on to 12, unless someone needs to run away because there's a poll that's going against them.
No.
So
Absolutely
this is very interesting for me, sir. Judge.
Well, I'll just listen. I don't know what people's time schedules are like.
They said supers. They said supers, by the way.
In a minute, but 1 second, KG. What time? I want you
Judge.
to state to the court right now, from the beginning, what time do you need to leave here so we can have a right idea? We don't want anything being rushed all of a sudden. So could you please let
he
me
never
know from
stated
now?
this last night when he was saying that there's going to be a court case that he needs to leave early. So I'm
So
very
like I said,
confused about
could
this.
you please let me know, and the court and the people and the jury know what time you'll be leaving?
Oh, I haven't gone on. I haven't gone. 1 second. Oh man, my camera.
I thought you tried to flee.
I haven't. My camera froze. Technology. Hold on, technology.
Judge, this is how he disappeared.
This is how he's going to escape. Hold a second. Can someone get eyes on the defendant, please? Thank you.
Technology. Why are they calling me a flight
Judge,
risk?
he tried to climb out the window, but realized he couldn't fit. That's what just happened.
He said I couldn't fit, John. Wait,
listen, we're in private quarters right now. We're in private quarters right now. Listen, quickly. Right, quickly. Listen, what time do you need to leave, Mr. Gary?
To be finished.
By 1:45. All right, well, listen. Let's get proceedings started, please. Abs, decide on your team. You're the leader of your team. Go ahead and decide on who's going to be in your team if you want to swap somebody out. KG, who's the person that you're adding to your team now? Quickly.
Oh, I really don't. I've got Peter. Happy with Peter. And I was hoping that Chevy would pull back up again. And I don't know, basically. At the moment, I think I can only call on 2, but I'm happy with Peter as well. I'm not going to lie to you.
I can see that AJ has turned up again.
I don't know. I'm so concerned by what AJ's line of questioning was.
We're consumed for time here. We're consumed for time here. So, KG, if we're happy to proceed with 2, you will know that the prosecution will have 3. Okay? So, if you want to decide real quickly, it's up to you.
You know what? If Chevy is happy to call back in, that'll be happy, and I'll have Chevy and Peter, and that's all I need.
All right, let's go. All right, if Chevy turns up, he'll be part of your team. There we go.
Yep, Chevy's gone back in. He's got his 2. Perfect. Right, let's continue.
Right. So now, who wanted to speak next? Is defense or prosecution?
So NN wants to speak next. I'm going to take out Waps for the remaining of the court case.
Waps got stinker and hooked.
That's not what happened, and I'll make that clear. Thank you very much.
Right, can we, KG, could you put 1 minute on the clock behind you, please? Because we need to get this.
How do you feel? Hey, Wax, how do you feel?
Whoa. You will be held in contempt.
I just wanted to know how I just wanted to know how he felt.
This is not the private room anymore. You're now in front of the court. Could you please
That's what I'm
remain?
saying. He's walking out. I wanted to know if he's all right.
Oh my!
All right, cool.
What is this?
I've already asked you to treat him as hostile. He's continuing.
Wait, can I? Your Honor.
No, you cannot. No, you've done too much already. And I see what's happening here. The time wasting will be taken into consideration. Thank you very much.
Objection, Your Honor. Pleasure in the defendant.
I didn't play that, Your Honor. I didn't play that.
How?
Who played that?
You know, keep your hands in the air for the rest of this.
Who played that? No, but who played that, Your Honor? Find out.
We don't have time. He wants to leave early.
No more time off this court. No more time wasted. No more time wasted. No more time wasted, KG. You had your moment. They have their moment. Enough. Okay? Enough. And KG, the only thing I need you to do is put 1 minute on the clock behind you, please. Yes?
Cool.
Thank you very much. The court will not have any more of this time wasted.
Your Honor, we've seen the
Go.
kind of person the defendant is. He's showing his colors just right there and then. You know, that person that you put on the screen is a person that he's put many times before in this community. His name is Idi Amin. You know, he's one of the defendants. You know, he looks up to him. The defendant has looked up to him as, you know, his political advisor, dictator. He follows in his footsteps. So now that we have created, you know, democracy, it is in no reason for us to think that this dictator would follow the democracy. He has clearly decided to go on his own way. He has disregarded the poll on many occasions. For his political opponents, he has provided no poll. He has sent them to prison without any poll. So now we're here and we're deciding that the people's poll doesn't matter. It's really a really bad look for this community. And I think that this criminal that we have on the stand needs to be held accountable. And that is my minute, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And defense, would you like to speak?
Yes, quick cross-examination to the prosecution.
Okay, 1 minute on the clock, please.
Yes. My client named, yesterday he named fit and ready players to play right now, right?
Yes.
Who can help out the team, yeah. Are the players that a certain Joe Lofori named fit and ready to play?
Objection.
You can't object. You know, this is a closing statement. So
Yes or no?
It's a closing statement. Okay, no problem.
Yes or no?
You
Are the
can't
players that
object. That's not a
a
statement.
certain Joel Ofori named fit and ready to play and help the team?
Just keep talking. Just keep talking.
Is Mohamed Kudus out for the season with a hamstring injury? Yes, I'll answer that myself. So we're defending here a person who only said the truth and had the best take yesterday, even though we was thinking it was the best take. That's all I'm gonna say.
Thank you very much.
Judge, this is forfeited this time. Can I give a small point of correction?
Quickly.
The squad that was made was for next season, so the players would be fit for that
Time
season.
is up.
Enough. Yeah, time's up. To be fair, okay, that's good. All right.
Not back yet.
Prosecution. Prosecution. Who's speaking next?
Okay, so Judge,
Yep.
I'd like to throw in some evidence now. There is a video. It does slightly incriminate myself, but this is the actions of the man trying to overpower the poll of the people.
Play said evidence, please.
Wait, what? Nah. KG, my advice to you.
You know what I'm doing.
Last night, job.
He told me to leave.
I will also like to add.
He told me to leave. He told me to leave.
I haven't asked you a
No,
question.
that was never said.
Hold on. Can you, KG, can you please put a minute on the clock, please? Because I've not seen the minute.
Again, we need to treat this defendant as hostile, Judge. I've been saying it for the last 10 minutes.
Go on,
Now,
Abs, go. You got your minute.
I need to quickly establish in my advice, I didn't tell him what to do. He said, you already know what I'm going to do. That's KG, not myself. Secondly, because of the mistake of having that song on before the show ended, the poll went to 109 votes and went against him. If we are giving power to the people have spoken. KG must do the will, and now it's a heavy will because he's brought this to court.
Can I
respond my time? I have to. I need my time back, Judge. I need my time back. It's just taking 5 seconds.
Can we please put the prosecutor?
Just keep going. Okay. I'll add the time. Keep going.
Okay, fantastic. And now, finally, really important. I need everyone to understand. We did, as the prosecutors, did not bring this case to the court. This was brought to the court by KG Ami. And he's done that.
No.
Not yet.
You interrupted it.
Extra time, please.
I want my time back, Judge.
Stop interrupting KG. You're only prolonging this. Can you continue, please?
Okay. He is the individual that brought this to court. He is the individual that's trying to lie and deflect from the poll and what the people have spoken. He is the man that asked the SLT team to act more professionally, and yet he is not being professional. That's my time.
And that is your time. I was about to say time, so well done. All right, now KG, you said you wanted a chance to rebut that, yeah? You have some time quickly.
I do.
Only 1 minute. 1 minute,
Thank
KG.
you very much. Okay, so
put the minute on. Put the minute on.
I do want to mention the Dow. Wait 1 second. Hold on.
Hold on.
Judge?
No,
Whoa, why is
bedtime.
it one
What
to
did
three
Judge?
There you
minutes?
go.
What kind of
No,
you say?
wait. I just had to turn. They're killing my time. They're
Just
speaking
go.
over me.
Keep talking. The extra
All
10
right,
seconds.
cool.
Go.
All right. So, Judge, I just want to say, what did Abs mean by this when he comes in and says, and he played his video, so I should be able to play the video as well. Yeah, before we get into this.
Wait, what? Nah. Nah.
KG, my advice to you.
You know what I'm doing. So when he says that, Your Honor, yeah, he says KG, he's looking, we're both looking at the poll. I just want to ask him, are we looking at the poll? Yes. Does Abs know that I need to make a runner? And he says, you know what you need to do. What does he mean by that? And what does he expect me to do in this moment? Because he wasn't surprised by my actions. So again, he's the one that insinuated the thought, KG, run. And now he's here prosecuting me. Make it make sense. Make that part make sense. I just want to know. I can't believe it. He actually initiated the thought, and I was going to do it because it is what it is. But he should be here with me.
Projection, speculation.
Judge Joe, the
Hey, don't
answer is
interrupt.
on the-
1 second. Yo. Hold on. The court would like to speak. 1 second. Abs, could you please just clarify to the courtroom what you meant by when you said my advice to you, KG?
Entrapment.
What was your advice?
My
Could you
advice
clarify?
is for him to start
He told me
making
to
jokes
leave.
about Joe so that Joe can get more votes on his name. But he didn't
No,
listen
he
to my
didn't.
advice. Hold on a second, Judge. He's
lying
interrupting.
under oath.
Judge,
Hold on.
Judge,
We'll
interrupting.
judge that.
Judge is interrupting.
Just continue, please, because we ain't got much time.
Yes,
KG.
exactly, Judge. So my advice for him was for him to be a comedian as he is, right, and make some jokes to turn the vote. But he didn't listen to my advice because he immediately answered himself and said, I know what I'm going to do. That's nothing to do with me. If you had allowed me to finish, you would have got what you wanted. But
What was your
unfortunately
advice?
did not
You was
allow
gonna
me
tell
to
me to make
finish.
jokes.
So we're now assuming. Assumptions is not good enough in the courtroom, Judge.
So yours advice me to
Assumptions
make
is
jokes.
not good enough in the courtroom.
1 second. Thank you for clarifying. At the end of this, we will be discussing if there will be any repercussions for your actions, but that'll be decided upon by the jury. But moving on.
Judge, quickly, can I just add a point, please?
No, you can't. I'm sorry. We have to move on. Other prosecution. Anybody else yet to speak?
I'm yet to speak.
Speak.
Yeah, so I'd like to bring to light to the court that the defendant, this isn't the first time he has tried to flee or avoid a trial. Many of the members of the chat will be aware there is a pending Yonkle case, which the defendant is still yet to participate in. So yeah, that's another reminder. In addition, I'd like to bring to light also that the defendant's defense is predicated on speculation, and I'd also like to ask a rhetorical question. If Ab said jump off a cliff, would you do it, KG? It's a rhetorical question.
It's a rhetorical question. So continue.
So in these scenarios that he's got another trial, that this isn't the first time. This is he's got previous. I'd request add-ons for his charges, and and his speculation case should be ignored. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Right now, prosecution again. Sorry.
Again.
Just get them out of the way. Is there any more prosecutions
I
there?
think that is everyone.
That's all of them.
On
All
the-
right.
defense.
Are you giving us more time?
Let me.
Defense.
Nah, I need to hear from the defendant.
Last defender.
Let me go. All right. I'm just gonna, for my closing statement, I would like to remind the court of a few things. Firstly, since it happened recently, I would like to remind the court that before Abs played that video, he did admit that he would be incriminating himself. That's the first thing. That was said live on this recorded show. A little bit, he said. Second reminder, I would like to remind people who were here during the show, that the poll was going well for my client until it was influenced by people on said prosecution, by certain comments they made about opinion. Thirdly, I would like to actually have the court dismiss this charge because it's based on opinion-based speculation. The question asked to the defendant and others in the chat were who they would like to bring into the team to rebuild. the season for the season coming. And he mentioned people who are having very good seasons. Now, whether that is a stinky opinion is speculation and opinion based. Hence, the vote and the poll was able to be rigged.
Thank you.
That's my
Thank
time.
you. Right.
Judge,
I no,
can I give a point
Sorry,
of
Judge,
correction, please?
can I have a moment, please? Because again,
no.
the defense
Time
are
is
trying to
wasting.
change the topic of this.
I was
Is
about to address that.
Judge,
I was about to address that.
Judge.
All right, no more speaking. No more speaking from anybody. Right, here we go. Because you know what, right? I feel like the last person who spoke kind of like missed the point of the show. What we won't do here, what we won't do here is call into question whether or not KG will be on trial because he's the one who decided to take it to trial. In fact, the poll was decided on him going straight to a wheel, right? And he decided that he has brought it upon himself to take himself to court today. So we're not going to hear any talk about mistrials or anything like that because he brought it to trial himself. So that's firstly. Now, secondly, what we are going to do is respect the court and respect the people of the court and the
But you won't
people
even
of
let
the
us read
court.
super chats, mate.
Excuse me, mate. It's because you're in a hurry.
Can you stop
right?
interrupting the judge?
Thank
Objection,
you.
time
You will be
wasting.
held in contempt. That's going to be an extra charge on the wheel if you do end up on the wheel, right? Because you can be
Wait,
held
I'm
in
getting
contempt.
extra charge for what?
You can be held in contempt. Are you crazy? You keep interrupting
Time
the judge.
wasting.
You can be held in contempt. So please stop
Objection, Your Honor.
interrupting me. I've got a
Why is he
limited time
addressing?
limit.
Why is he addressing the
Objection to the
defendant?
judge.
All of
There's
you
no
can be held in
objection to the
contempt.
judge.
Can you please all get out? You know what? Get out. I'm making my statement now. Get out. Everybody get out apart from KG. Get out. Just leave, please. Thank you. I don't want to speak without being interrupted. Now, as I was saying, we will be respecting the people. And as the people were the ones who were voting yesterday, what we are going to do right now is bring it back to the people who are my jury today, right? So right now, KG, yes or no, in the poll, right now, we have 5 minutes left according to your time. So put the poll up right this instant, right? And the poll is saying, is KG guilty of absconding? Well, you don't have to say that because I know that the dyslexia tax, but did KG run away?
KG ran away. But wait, that's what you're saying. Did I run away? Is that it?
Did you run away? Because then you're guilty. That's the end of the conversation. If you ran away, you are guilty because you were supposed to face the wheel yesterday. It has been brought to my attention. I have seen the evidence.
Did I have
right?
the stinkiest take? Judge, I'm here because of the I didn't have the stinkiest take, Judge.
Listen,
going
I
on?
understand. 1 second, sir. You will be held in contempt if you keep interrupting me. But listen to me. Listen to me, sir.
Yeah.
It was the ruling of your poll in which you implemented yourself in it. You willingly typed your own name. You willingly asked the audience for their opinion. And you said whoever loses was facing the wheel. And in my opinion, well, it speaks for itself. What I would like to do now is bring it back to the jury, and the jury will decide if you are guilty because you brought it to court. If they say yes, the wheel will be ultra severe.
How is it ultra severe now? Can you ask them what kind of wheel could be?
Can you stop? You're in contempt. You know what? You're going to face another wheel. Listen, light wheel for contempt. Light wheel for contempt.
but
No,
you just
you've
said
interrupted me more than enough times, and we're running out of time here. Is the poll up?
I'll wait, Your Honor. I'll wait.
Judge, this is a hostile witness. This is a hostile defense.
You know what?
We
Can
need
you just
some
remove?
actions.
Can you move the defendant, please? Remove the defendant. I don't want to hear from him anymore.
I agree.
Thank you very much. Now, can you just please, has the poll been put up yet? Has the
I will
poll
do
been
that
put
right
up yet?
now.
I need the poll. I need it now. I need the jury to decide. I need them to decide ASAP.
Oh, it's up.
Thank you very much. Could the jury, all of the delegates in here right now, please decide on KG's fate? You are the jury. The power has always been with you. So please let us know what you decide. Thank you. And while we're waiting,
so, Judge, just so you
while
know,
we're
we
waiting,
have already got to 128 votes, and 72% said yes. KG,
right
run away.
now, can you bring back the defendant, please? While we're waiting for these votes to come in, can you bring back the defendant?
How much do you want?
Speak.
How much do you want? Because 100 votes is normally what we do.
Can you bring back the defendant, please? Bring him back.
Oh, okay. There you go. He's back. Do you want his team as
Your
well?
Honor, Your Honor, can I ask you a question?
Absolutely.
Did Abs knock on the door before he entered, or did he just enter himself?
Then those things will be dealt with after because he's already in
No, just
contempt
now
too.
again. Just now again. Did he knock on the door, or did he
I
just? You
wasn't
know
in
when
the
we were
room.
talking.
We
I
was
wasn't
in the
room.
courtroom. We was in the courtroom. We was in the courtroom. It's
No,
fine.
because you
Don't
said
worry.
it was just me and you. No, it was just me and you. And then after you said it, just me and the defendant, and then Abs appeared. How?
Abs is going
No,
to
I was
go
always
to
in the room.
Abs is going to the light wheel as well.
Judge, I was always in the room. How can I get in trouble for already
Hey,
being
no,
in
hold
the
on,
room?
hold on.
Yeah,
You're facing
yeah.
a light wheel for interrupting proceedings when you're bursting on me and the client when they were in private
Judge,
conversation.
that is something outside of this court case.
Well, you can take it to court if you want to, but you can't be interrupting people's court. But I say light wheel, and I say light wheel, I mean a light wheel. It's nothing severe, a light wheel, because you're in contempt. You can't just be bursting on people like that, bro. You don't know manners.
Judge, would you want me to tell you the result of the poll? 155 votes.
155 votes is more than enough for this court. Thank you.
Fantastic. So after 155 votes, did KG run away? The answer is majority, 74%. Yes. KG has his
KG.
Your Honor, and just to be a fair court, yeah, can we ask them as well? Because I'm going in it. Yeah, can we ask them if Abs asks me to run away? Because I know he's got the light wheel, but we've seen the video, we've seen the tapes.
That's not the question.
Can you put the poll out?
What judge?
I ran away.
The poll will be this. Hold on. I've already decided on
this is a different case.
I've already hold on. I'm the proceeding judge here. I'm the proceeding judge here. Do you know what? One more interruption, Abs. One more interruption. I swear down. No more. Right? As I was saying, there have been some new things that have been brought to light in this case, which I think the people should decide if it should go to trial or not. Yeah, we've just had one poll. Yeah, Abs, I would like you to put up another poll right now. Yeah,
sure.
Is Abs guilty of leading the defendant
to abscond or run, whatever you want to say?
Is Abs guilty of leading the defendant? Because then you might be brought in on a RICO.
So yeah, look, it looks like a question has already been put out. Someone has done it very sharpish. So
what does it say? What is the poll asking?
So let me just go. The poll says, did Abs ask KG to run away? Which I didn't, but okay. The words never left my mouth, so I'm confused.
How many votes do we have?
100, and it's yes. Over 100 votes. 107. 56%.
What's the percent? What's the percent?
56.
That is all encompassing. Right. End the poll if it's over 100.
Thank you. 115.
There we go. Abs, we'll have a RICO for you another time. Have we got time for the will, KG, or are you trying to run away?
We have got time for the will. No, we have. I think, why is it a RICO? Why can't Abs just be dealt with in the same thing?
No. The judge has spoken. Please, produce your will, please.
Listen, well, actually, this is one thing.
I'm going down for this exact same thing.
1 second, KG, you can. Hey, KG,
I'm listening.
Abs, it's up to you, actually, because, time and all that kind of stuff, right? Do you want to go to trial, which would be a more severe will than one if you accept a guilty today?
You know what? For the time I do not have, let's accept a guilty today. A very nice light will. Is that correct, Judge?
A light will. A light will. I said that. Hold on.
In fact,
Judge,
Judge,
I never said a nice light. Hold on. It will be decided, though, amongst your peers. It's not for you to decide.
Judge, I actually want to ask you, on this channel, as you've seen a million times. KG, I don't know why your hands up. The judge and me are talking. On this channel, as you've seen a million times, and it's a shame if you could get Yo-Yo on the line. I think it'd be very important because you can't have an SLT meeting with two SLT against each other. Maybe the third person would be better. But rather than doing a light will, I think it would be better for me to give 10 memberships.
You know what? I've never been one for taking bribes. Right,
it's not a bribe because you're not actually part of the channel. You're external judge. You're not part of the channel. I just think if I give 10 memberships, right? Remember, I wanted to give 10 memberships.
KG can stop waving. You can speak after. It's fine.
I think because it's a light poll and it's not that important. It's not as important as KG's one. who, by the way, is still wasting time so he doesn't do his punishment.
Well,
I'd
here's
rather
the
just
thing.
give 10 memberships. If you want 20, I'll just do it. Give it away. I'll break it down. I'll give it away now. Just end the whole thing. Because I think memberships to the public is better, especially after wasting
You've made
their
your
time
case. You've
coming
made
to
your
this
case,
courtroom.
Mr. Abs. You've made your case, Mr. KG. What would you like to say quickly, please?
And just try to understand something. So he's facing the light will for interrupting you
Yes.
twice, by the way. And he's also it's also gone to the public. And the public have said, not only has he like jumped in twice, he's also told me to leave. He actually told me to abscond. And
It has
we're
been
saying
decided.
that is, and we're now saying for those two atrocities, it's the light will. I just want to be sure. So I understand what's happening.
Well,
That's
you didn't. To be fair, though, you guys didn't let me finish. I said he can have a light will for that sentence if he says yes now. If he says guilty now, right? But he still has to. He still has to. Basically, he has two light wills to face. Yeah.
Oh, so it's a light will for telling me to run. Okay, fair enough, Your Honor. I just wanted to. I'm happy to bring up my will.
Pleaded guilty. He pleaded guilty. So
did he plead guilty, or did they say he was guilty, Your Honor?
What I'm saying is, you can either take it to trial or you can accept the charge now, right? Because this is what's happened. He's been charged. Is he saying guilty or is he going to court? He said he didn't want to waste the court's time. He said he didn't want to waste the court's time. Okay,
no problem, Your Honor. No problem. Let's go to the will.
Let's go to the will, please, because the time is getting on.
Yeah.
Can you bring in some of your peers as well, though, please? Because this has to be decided amongst the prosecution.
Yeah. So what's the stuff that we put in here? I can't believe it, man.
Your Honor,
Can I ask you a quick question?
Your Honor, can I just make a?
KG, don't cry. Don't worry.
Judge, can I ask you a quick question, please,
I've
Judge?
got a question as well.
spoke first.
Okay.
Don't cry, KG.
Just for the Abs's light wheel, for the charge of making KG run, can we have a run charge on there for, like, just to be a bit more metaphorical, for making KG run, Abs has to run on the wheel charge for him?
No, that's not what we
when did the convict get to choose his crime? Like, when did the convict choose his sentence?
If you're going to do this, you needed to put this right in the beginning.
Order, please. Listen. We'll deal with that will when we get to that will. This is KG's will now. One thing at a time, please. No more wasting the time with the court.
Can I put something? Can I make a rule? Can I make?
Person at a time.
You know what?
One sec. Can I make a rule suggestion?
Go ahead, court.
AJ has to defend KG in his next trial.
What on the will? You want to put that on the will?
I agree. No.
And can I add a will suggestion?
Hold on.
You can't put stream ban for KG because he's the leader of the stream.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not putting a ban. I'm putting a ban. I'm not putting any ban.
Listen, we're gonna go down in order. Connor, Waps, NN, have.
Judge, I was second to Connor. I don't. What's going on?
Pardon? Where are you? Oh, you're up at the top. I can't see you. You're behind the live thing. Right.
Yeah. Sorry, Judge, can I ask you a question?
I like your suggestion, by the way, Connor.
Quickly.
Courts.
So I have already taken the liberty of putting a poll out, right? Just so I'm fair, I'm letting the people decide between 10 memberships, 5 memberships, or light wheel. And it's now 100 votes and 53% have said 10 memberships. That's the people talking, not me.
Objection, Your Honor. Is Abs trying to circumvent your justice? Is he trying to overrule your decision?
That's why I asked. It's up to him.
One second.
It's up to the judge whether he wants to take that information or not.
Hold on. 1 second. What did I just tell Connor when he tried to talk about your poll? Not now.
No.
Can we please get back to this wheel and we'll deal with that situation after?
No problem. Your Honor, has Abs done another thing to show that he's in control of these proceedings? Because
everybody stop trying to take control of these proceedings from now on. The next person to speak out of turn will be held in contempt. Do you hear me?
Should I spin
the
the
next
wheel, Your Honor?
person to speak out of turn is going to the wheel, light wheel. So can we just get on with proceedings like I've asked? Starting with Abs, what do you want on the wheel? Let's go. No wasting time.
Okay. he cannot have 5 memberships. It got to be at least 15. Big man, he's on Sky.
Well, start with that then.
Yeah, you could reduce the sorry song with burpees to just 1. That's fine. We can add 20k run or bicycle because I know he likes bicycle.
Yeah.
But it has to be 20k plus the others. Yeah. Yeah. Remove another one of those sorry burpee songs. I don't know what that's about.
Any other suggestions quickly before I move on to the next person?
Any other suggestion, people? Strefford, any suggestion?
Well, I'm going to go down and ask everyone.
Oh, okay, cool. That's it. That's
what I'm saying. So Connor, please. What are your suggestions?
My suggestions, I think maybe one light I'm sorry to the entire chat. I think just KG saying he's sorry to the chat would be a great suggestion as a punishment.
No. Stop.
Yeah, sorry to the chat. Yeah, I think that's a valid.
KG, you heard the judge. You heard the judge.
Excuse me, I said take it off.
We're just asking for suggestions here. Can I just not make a suggestion?
You made the suggestion and I said no. It's not being submitted. Okay, so next, please. What?
I'd like to see 5 raw eggs. I'd like
Raw?
to see.
I have raw eggs.
I'd like
I don't
to.
even have eggs.
No, you're gonna buy them. Sorry, mate.
No.
Hold on one second. KG, do you have any allergies that we need to know about? 1 second. Do we have any allergies that we need to know about, KG?
I can't have raw eggs. I know I can't. I'll try my best to do the thingy, but I just don't eat eggs in it.
No, Judge, can I ask him, are you allergic to raw eggs? Are you allergic
ask
to
my
them?
wife. Ask my wife if I could eat eggs. I don't eat eggs.
No, that's not my problem, KG. That's
I can't have them cakes of egg in it. I can't even have cakes of egg in it. I'll
Judge for the presenter.
No, hold on. We're not going to try and make anybody sick on the channel, innit? We're not doing that again. So can we just we're going to keep it within people's means, innit? So
okay. Let me think again.
Any other suggestions quickly?
You know what? Can we make it 3 hot gummies instead of 1 hot gummy? You know. You have to multiply them, innit? Yeah. 3 hot gummies, not just 1. Or a double hot chip or a triple hot chip, you know, because you got to multiply.
1 hot chip's enough. Then how?
Yeah, we're not going to do 2 hot chips, just 1 hot chip, please. No, we're not going to go overboard.
Judge, I don't want to question your decision, but it's a heavy will. No, it's a heavy will.
I don't want people that ended up in hospital though.
2 hot chips won't kill him. He'll be fine. He's Nigerian.
Bro, many people have done the hot chip. Who's ended up in hospital? We've had 1 vomit over some cinnamon.
Okay, you know what?
Did you go to hospital?
I can't do.
Did you go to hospital?
Okay,
someone that has ulcer.
Hold on 1 second. Would the hot chips have to be, simultaneously, or could he do one day and one the next day?
No, simultaneously.
No. 2 hot chips is I thought you meant like he didn't want to do a second one in terms of because he's done one before.
I won't do it. I'll change the channel.
No. That's what I'm saying. Two is too much.
No. One hot chip on its own is fine.
Yes. Okay. So next person, please. NN.
Oh.
Can we up the boiled egg and crackers that is already there to 20, please?
Yeah, 20 eggs.
20
I'll allow it.
That's on.
I'll allow it.
Yeah.
That's actually
Can I add a forfeit of my own?
Can we also have him do some
I'm
ginger
coming
shots?
to you. You're next.
Wait. So
what did you say, NN?
20. I can't
I would like him
have
to
20
I would like him
eggs
to
and
up the
crackers.
eggs to the 20 eggs and 20 crackers, please.
Not and crackers. 20 eggs and 20 crackers is crazy.
20 eggs and
20
20
one or the
crackers.
other. Yeah, the court was saying that's a bit excessive. One or the other.
20 eggs. 20 eggs.
Okay. All right, there we go. Pav, what did you like to suggest, please?
So someone a while back put forward a new forfeit. I think it's an equivalent of a hot chip, but in form of a gummy.
Yeah, it's already
on there.
Oh, it's already on there. Okay,
Yeah.
if that's on there, I want to propose the Scandinavian tin stinky fish.
KG, you eat fish, right?
What?
You eat fish.
But why though? Like Scandinavian.
KG, listen. I asked you a question. You eat fish, and I know where's it gone? Where's it gone?
It has a very long name, but just put Scandinavian tin fish.
Just put tin fish.
Tin fish. I don't even.
Tin fish.
I don't understand it right.
Joe, I mean, Judge, since my suggestions were
And
a
don't
bit
worry,
too heavy.
KG, if it lands on it, you can do it outside so your house doesn't, need
bit nasty.
Judge, since my suggestions weren't taken into consideration,
This is
just
there it is. Put up
second.
Peter's comment. Put up Peter's comment. That's what it's called. Peter's comment.
All
right,
cool. It's nasty.
Judge,
Hold on. One second. What was you just saying now?
May I suggest like a month or 2 months of no grooming, so you're not allowed to trim your beard or cut your hair.
No, that's offensive.
Period of time.
Come on.
No, he's got work. He's got work. He's got work.
Look at my
He's got work.
Yeah. Stretford's turn.
Stretford now. Go on.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
So
so
for the next stream, you have to take 2 cups of a black label drink.
No.
When you say cups, now when you say cups,
like what I mean, like two like
2 shots each cup.
Yeah.
As strong as the last time.
It's a 3 shots.
2 drinks. Two drinks of
2 shots
black
is easy.
label.
Okay.
just 2 shots.
Yeah.
Just
And
shots.
one other suggestion. For the next Man United stream, you have
Will,
to
one second. The court would like to say something on this. It's a severe wheel, so if we're gonna add 2 shots of black label, it will be going up by another 2, so 4 shots.
Wait, Joe, you could get him in an Arsenal shirt. You can get him in an Arsenal shirt. You can put that on there.
Let's not talk about Arsenal shirts right now.
One more suggestion. The next stream, he has to do blindfolded in a fan in the box fashion. So with the chat, but he can't watch the game. Like he does a stream.
I'm not doing that again. I had to get
Make him do Ramadan is outrageous.
Yeah, do a fan in the box stream, but like live on your own channel.
I don't think Ramadan should be a punishment. I think it's something they should be wanting to be proud of. And do
you think
that's outrageous, bro?
Yeah. 1 second, Ab, do you think that would work? What Stretford Elite just suggested?
Not being able to watch, then that means there has to be someone else. Someone else has to be an operative.
He's going to have to just listen to commentary. He's just got to listen to commentary.
Yeah,
you're going to take away the integrity of the show.
Let him listen to the commentators. Then
you don't get the excitement.
You take away the integrity of the show if you do that.
There you go.
Unless Abs does the show with him.
Should we do? Surely that's enough, guys.
I got mine. It's my turn.
AJ's not spoken yet. AJ's not spoken yet.
All right. So my suggestion is for the next 2 streams, KG needs to do 75 push-ups, and he can do them at 15 increments. So 15 push-ups, chill out, do another 15. But by the end of each stream, he needs to do 75 push-ups.
Why not 100? Let's make it even 100. What do you mean? Thank you. Let's make it even 100.
That's fine too. Do that. So for the next 2 streams, he needs to do 100 push-ups each stream. So you can do them in 20 increments. You can do them in however way you want. You just got to make sure you get to 100 by the end of each stream.
Wait, can KG wear a suit for the next 20 streams?
I don't think that's severe enough. Okay, I think this is enough now. Can we just read out what's on the wheel quickly from top to bottom, please?
All right, 15 memberships, cinnamon, hot gummy, 10 eggs and 10 crackers, no water.
Jesus.
No one said that. No one said that. I'm taking it off.
No, that was there already. That was on there already. That was already on there.
All right.
Go on.
Say sorry song with burpees.
Can you remove the other 2 then? Because you've got it 3 times.
Hold on. Sorry song with burpees.
Yeah, that's in there. It's been in there.
Yeah, that's dead though.
I don't think that's
cool. You clearly haven't done that.
It's in there, bro. It's in there. We've done that for somebody before. 15K, 10K, 20K.
Remove 10K.
This just means
all eggs, no water. 20 eggs, 10 fish, 3 shots of back label, 100 push-ups.
Joe, I said 4. Hold on, I said 4 shots, not 3.
I won't survive.
I won't survive. 4 shots. You don't have to do it back to back.
No, it's not back to back. No, it's not back to back.
But it's a punishment. It's a punishment. It's not enjoyment. You're trying to have enjoyment. We're trying to give you punishment.
I won't make it.
This is your own channel.
Hey, on a quick one, Joe, I don't think 28 is safe.
You don't think 20 eggs?
25
I
memberships.
don't think 20 eggs is
memberships,
safe.
no?
I'll be honest with
Okay.
you.
Maybe
In a
like,
pack of, hold on,
say
wait a
like
second,
12 to 15.
In a pack of eggs, you get 12. Yeah. So we're
Do
gonna
the
do it
pack.
to 12. There's no
Yeah.
point in breaking 2 packs of eggs. So 12 pack of eggs. Yeah. So one pack.
Remove the 15
Eggs
memberships
expensive now.
because this is his channel. Like
50,
that's just
50
giving
memberships is
yourself
a little
money.
light.
basically.
Who
You know?
recommended?
25,
Who recommended 20x? And then
And
have you
then-
seen him? Have you seen him? Have you seen him?
Brother,
why-
that's the most unsafe
Take out-
thing with
take out the
Nike
20X.
being rude.
Okay, no, we've left it at
That's his
12.
breakfast, bro. That's his breakfast.
That's been the
Take
will.
out.
Hey, Peter, is that why you said he couldn't zip up
That's been the
the?
will.
The
One
Nike-
second.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Order. Come on. Let's get going. Let's spin the wheel now. Let's
Let's spin the
go.
wheel.
Spin it. Remember, we're spinning it twice, yeah? Remember.
100
No,
push-ups, man.
once.
100 push-ups.
Wait. Sorry,
It's a
one
double
last.
spin. It's a
A
double spin
20-second
for running
HUD we deserve better has just been suggested in the chat. Can we
20
add it to
second
the
what?
wheel?
I'm
20
spinning the
seconds.
wheel.
Spin the wheel.
Play.
Aye,
Spin
and
the
I'm
wheel.
doing it.
Nah,
I'm
just
spinning
spin
the
it,
wheel, and it's
spin it.
once, and it's once, and it's
Well,
once.
no,
No,
it's
twice,
twice.
bro.
Twice.
We doing
It's
it.
twice.
Kiss on the
Let's
chick
go.
from.
We do this
Who
twice.
is it?
Yeah,
Hold
I know what
on.
you think this is.
There we
100
go.
push-ups.
Oh,
Yes!
oh Lord.
Hey, you're finished! You're finished!
Oh,
You're finished! You're finished!
oh,
You're finished!
You're done.
bro, that stinks of decomposed flesh, bro.
I win again!
Yeah,
I
see you
win
later.
Hey, can I
again!
make a suggestion?
That one.
Can I make a suggestion? Bro, you better buy yourself a hazmat suit before you open that
Hazmat,
fish,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, be outside, bro.
How big's your
Bro,
garden, KG?
you better, bro, life insurance. You better call your life insurance, bro.
Aye, if
Joe,
I,
he's got one more
I,
spin. He's got one more spin for running away from court. Remember?
No,
Yeah.
no,
No,
it's
he
done,
doesn't.
it's done,
No,
it's
he
done.
does not. No, he does not.
Joe, I
He
just
doesn't.
need to remove everyone for a moment as we're about to finish the show.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll remove that as well. I would just like to bring this up. It's up again. It's up to you. It's up to you. We could do the light spin on another time. Yeah. I put the poll up just for you to see it yourself. That's what.
Well, I'll tell you what, yeah. This will only be done. You can use this one for your contempt. That's what you can do. Yeah. You can use that one for your contempt, but you are facing a will today. You are
Okay,
facing
light wheel.
a
Go
light
ahead.
will
Go ahead.
today.
Go ahead. Go
That-
ahead.
that
But
can
again,
be
key
your
word is a
contempt.
light wheel, so don't put that tin in there.
No, there's no tin. There's no tin in the light wheel. That's
Aye.
extreme.
know this now, yeah. Yeah. I promise you, anyone gets, and this is it. You lot started it. Guess what? Well done, everybody. Because I promise, I'm telling you now, I'm telling the whole community. You see, going forward, after I do this, try someone not achieve their thing and you see what's happening. And I want Doctor, I want all these people to come back to the thingy. See, Doctor said that she vomited and she didn't do that shit properly. We need to see her again. Right now, I'm writing everything down. You lot already know. I'm writing it all down.
Why did you? But KG, do you know what? One thing I have to say, you brought it to court. You could have just faced a light wheel yesterday.
Could have just faced a light wheel, bro.
Why did you take it to court?
Because I didn't think that it was gonna be like this. But you lot had your way. You lot had your way. I can't believe.
By the
it.
way,
You lot had your
also,
way.
can I just
We can't.
add? You did.
I can't do the tin fish. I have to give memberships or something. I can't do that. It's too harsh.
No,
I can't
well,
eat that.
No, 1 second, KG, you eat fish. Let's not
eat
pretend.
that. I can't. But
You
I
eat
can't
fish.
eat gone off fish. I just
It's
watch
not-
people
No, it's not
react
gone
to
off.
it.
fermented.
That's just how the fish is.
I just
It's
watched
not-
the reaction to the people online, bro. I won't
Yep.
be able to do it. I won't be able to do it. I'm telling you, like, I
Well,
won't be
buy
able
it
to do
anyway. You go open one of them tin fishes and we'll decide.
You know what the thing
Buy
is?
tin
The
fish.
very least, yeah, the very least, you've got to open it in front of. You got to open it. You got to buy it. You got to open it in front of everyone, so everyone
Yeah,
can just see.
definitely.
Yeah,
And
but then
Clive
because
wants
what
to
you lot
add
saying,
something
Oh,
you're telling me to consume the fish.
since it's my advised punishment, right? Yeah, I'll do you a deal if everyone's happy. He don't have to eat it, but he's got to smell it for a minute outside. You don't have to do it indoors. You have to smell it.
I think you
Yeah,
have to
don't
pay-
don't hold your nose or nothing, bro. You need we need to hear you like breathing the smells in, bro. You don't
If
have
he's
to
gonna
eat
do
it.
that, if
You're
he's gonna do
smelling
that,
it
I
for a
think he
whole
still has to
minute.
Take a little piece. He still has to take a tiny piece.
I can't eat that.
Don't worry,
I can't
KG.
eat
We'll,
that.
we'll when we get to it, we'll discuss it further. Hey, let's do my
guess
small
what?
light
Guess
wheel
what? Hey,
cooking, man.
hey, you see the Kev stream, the hater stream? If this is
Guys,
what you lot
it's
done
gonna
to
be
me,
dark. I'm so glad
if
I'm
this is
not
what
on
you lot
any of
done to
them.
me, if this is what you lot done to me today, yeah, know that. Yeah. I'm telling you, know that, because I saw what you lot wrote down for me. the next will that we see, yeah, severe will. This is the levels. I'm share screening again. This is the levels of severe will. This is for me, you know. I'm letting everyone know this is the standard.
Copy it and put it on notes on your laptop.
It's not going anywhere.
Take a screenshot.
No, but it has to go off now because we're doing a light wheel.
No, I'll see it. No, okay, copy.
Yeah, take a screenshot.
Yeah, that's what I say. Copy and keep it.
Yeah, because they think now we know what severe will looks like. Tin, okay, and I'm ordering it now.
You know the craziest thing as well. This is how hot chips became a thing. You did it once, and then you said no. It's gonna be there for everyone else.
This is for everyone, and now we're here. So guess what, guys? Welcome. You set the standard, and I'm telling you right now, yeah, cool. Because
I sent you the picture to your WhatsApp of what you need to buy, bro.
No,
he's already buying it.
It's on Amazon. I've just seen it.
Yeah.
What's it called? It takes some days to come though. Strum and ring, whatever. Yeah, 39 both. Cost £39.
Oh,
some stinky fish. Wow.
How long does it take to come? 24, 26.
Go watch the videos. Go watch the videos.
I can't eat that.
Go watch
I can't eat that.
Right, come on, let's deal with abs now. If you gotta go.
Fuck abs. I gotta go.
That's why we'll do another time.
All right, yeah, no problem.
No, I gotta read the super chats though. Let me read
Yes, of course.
Yes, there's been. All right, by the way, everyone, thank you for the super chats. I saw them flying in. Actually made this work so much worthwhile as well.
You lot hate me. That's all
I'm saying this because clearly KG can't speak.
No. I've learned today you lot hate me. Fair enough.
This is your community, KG.
It's my community.
You built this. This is you, brick by brick.
No,
built in image.
You built this
your
community
image, KG.
in your image.
Yes, KG.
KG has donated 150,000 new books and pens to the underprivileged kids. What a nice man, so they can learn. There you go.
Shut up, Connor.
Get this green mask looking Jim Carrey, Jasmine T, KG to jail. Unable to attend today. KG, you've been ducking my letters. See you on Thursday. Damn. Here you go, Mac. Question to the judge. As per yesterday's stream, was the power to decide who had the stinkiest take not given to the chat by the defendant himself? There we go. There's no evidence that the community was voting KG to see him on the wall because he actually had the stinkiest take. Also, AJ's speech was sleepy. Wow. Okay. When you've won the master, when you won the Masters at Augusta at 10 a.m., you got court case at 10, half 10. Moving like a large Nigerian Tiger Woods disrespect. Here you go. We should be talking about Man United getting unbeaten in 9 games, not distracting ourselves with silly polls. Kevin Bundy. Yeah, I should have said that. I want the Ross. AJ Justin. Guilty. VP said guilty. Final verdict. Stop the trial.
VP put you under the bus and said you're guilty, by the way. Lucky I couldn't find it.
Demand a mistrial. Free KG. Yeah.
All right. And just quickly, KG, to help you, I know you said your thing's gonna take a while to be delivered. KG shouldn't have to do punishment until others who owe theirs have done them.
Who owes punishments?
I don't know. I don't even know.
Wait, hold on. He owes their punishments.
I don't even know.
I'm gonna look at the books. You
know what? We'll put a poll out. We'll put.
Wait, hold on. Where's NN? Has NN got all his money?
No, I'm supposed to pay him at the end of this month, innit?
That's when I'm doing it. When N gets his money.
But hold on, from who?
Yeah.
Just LMS.
When N gets
LMS,
his money.
doesn't he have some hot chips?
Oh yes, LMS. No, he's got a challenge to do.
No, LMS done it. LMS done his one.
He did it, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I think Olga's probably the only person.
Mm.
The doc when N gets his bread as well. I'll be outside.
Okay, I think there you go. Done.
Happy days.
All done, mate. All done. All right, I think we should end it there, mate. I don't know what KG's up to here.
What are you doing? Yeah,
so when he owes Who owes NA money? Okay.
Nah. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.